Hello, thank you for the interview opportunity. I'll start with the first question. Tell me about yourself. My name is Manzar. I'm a software engineering technology student at Centennial College. I'm really interested in front-end development and building user-friendly applications. I worked on a few projects and also completed a co-op at Bonaparte where I worked on authentication features and UI improvements. I enjoy working on teams, solving problems, and learning new technologies. Uh, I've been focusing more on React and improving my front-end skills. I'm really excited about opportunities where I can grow and contribute to real products like ones at Clio. Next question is, why should you hire me? I think I'll be a good fit because I have both technical knowledge and some real experience for my co-op and projects. I've worked in JavaScript, React, APIs, and I'm comfortable working in a team and using tools like Git. Also, I'm fast learner and I always willing to improve, even if I don't know everything yet. The technologies and tools that you use in your company, I'm confident that I can learn quickly and contribute to the team. I'm reliable and motivated and really want to grow as a developer. And next question is, why do you want to join our organization? I'm really interested in Clear because I like the idea of working on real products that help people, especially in something important like access to justice. I like that the Clear focuses on innovative using AI and modern technologies to improve their products. For me, it's important to be in a place where I can learn from experienced developers and be part of a supportive team. And that's why I like Clio and really it stands out to me. And next question, what's the major strengths? One of my strengths is that I learn quickly and adapt easily to new technologies. During my co-op project, I often had to work with the new tools I was able to pick them up and apply them effectively. I'm also very focused when it comes to debugging and improving user experience, especially for the front end. I try, uh, I always try to write clean code and make sure that everything works smoothly for the users. So, the last question, what's the weakness of mine? One weakness I have noticed is that I sometimes spend too much time trying to perfect the work. I focus a lot on details, which can take extra time of mine. Really, it's not affecting my work, but it's taking time. To improve this, I started managing my time better and focusing on finishing first before refining them. I also try to ask feedback earlier rather than working a long time, spending long times alone. This has helped me become more efficient and work better with others. That's all from my side. I'm open for any question. Thank you very much.